This is 1 centavo, 1962, Central Bank of the Philippines. How rare old bill is this? 1962. Imagine the year 1962. If you are born on that, and yet this coin is already existing. 1 centavo. So this is rare, an old coin in the history of the Philippines. 1962. And this coin, 1 centavo 1962, is for sale. And those who are interested to buy this, kindly call +63 997 692 2374. Call Antonio Sibacor, Purok Macalaya, Placer, Surigao del Norte, Philippines. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow. Comment your price on the comment section so that the highest bid price is the buyer of this coin. So don't forget to like, share, download. Don't forget to add favorites. So this is your chance to own this kind of old rare coins. 1962, 1 centavo. So how rare the money from the Central Bank of the Philippines. In the history of the Philippines, this is very old. Imagine 1962, but still existing coins.